Hey everyone, welcome to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, I am going to show you how to change your Kraken wallet password. Regularly updating your password is very important to maintain the security. Get ready for the step-by-step process of changing your Kraken wallet password. Once you are logged in the web browser, you'll find yourself on the Kraken account dashboard. Now click on human icon located on the top right corner and then click on settings. Go to Security tab by clicking on Security. Now find Change Password and click on it. Now enter your current password in the current password field and then type the new password in the new password field to create new password. Make sure the new password is 2 characters long and a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and special characters. Now re-enter the new password to confirm it. Once you have filled all the required fields, click on Save. Congratulations, you have successfully changed your Kraken wallet password. You can see confirmation about password change message. Make sure to store your new password securely and do not share it with anyone. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Basics for more cryptocurrency related videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.